guys, it's Miss Targonsky, and I want to read this book from the beginning all the way to the end. So I'm going to scroll through, and I want you to try to read it first, and then I'm going to read it, and you can read it along with me. Now, there's 2 pages in this book that we did not see yet. So it's your job to try to use all of your superpowers to get your mouth ready, to use your picture power and look at those characters really closely and what they're doing, and try to figure out what the story is saying, what the words say, okay? So it's going to be a little tricky at the end, but I believe in you guys and I know that you can do it, all right? So remember, this story is called Maria and Her Teacher. Maria and Her Teacher. So I'm going to read the first page and I want you to finish the book. Remember, here's a tricky word that we might not know. It's H-E-R, her. Okay, so keep an eye out for that word. All right. Maria and her teacher talk. Now it's your turn. Check the picture. Get your mouth ready. Ooh, this is a page that we didn't see yet. Tricky word. What are they doing? The end. All right, so we're going to go all the way back to the beginning, and you can read it with me. Maria and her teacher. Maria and her teacher talk. Maria and her teacher write. Maria and her teacher read. That makes sense. Maria and her teacher add. Add. Maria and her teacher, that's a blend, smile. Maria and her teacher paint. Paint. Maria and her teacher another blend, clean. Clean, one word, clean. Not clean the dishes. That's way too many words. So it's just clean. Maria and her teacher play. Play. One word, not play a game. That's way too many words. See that? Way, way, way too many. So it's just the word play. Play. All right, guys. Good job reading. You guys did such an awesome job with this book this week, Maria and Her Teacher. Now there's a very special activity on Seesaw that you guys can do. It's called Maria and Her Teacher, where you have to try to unscramble the words, right? So it's pictures that you know that we've seen together from this book, but it's your job to figure out what the words are. So I'm going to put a link to that tomorrow, and that'll be your reading lesson for tomorrow, okay, guys, to complete that activity. If you can. You don't have to, but if you can, you should go check that out. All right, guys. Bye. I miss you.